Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the technical charts analysis section. My name is Edmund. So let us start off with the US dollar index again. So we do see and we do understand that the US dollar has been bearish ever since it touched the high of the 4-hour resistance on the 30th of June. Okay, from a high of 97.69 levels, it has been going down. Okay. So it's a steady downward movement, moving down, consolidating, moving down, consolidating, moving down, consolidating, and as recent as the last 5 market days, and also as recent as yesterday, we were looking at the US dollar index finding support at these levels of 95.63. Okay, and towards the evening session at about this candle here. Again, reading the timing is very important. 1600. So if you're in Singapore or Malaysia, you need to add 5 hours to this. So 16 plus 5 will be 21. 21 will be 9 p.m. local Singapore and Malaysia time. So that is the beginning of the move of the US dollar weakening. Okay. So it weakens for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours, and then it goes quiet, and currently it's resting at this 95.00 levels. So let us have a look and see how the other major currencies reacted to the weakening of the US dollar. So mark the time again, 1600 plus 5, which is 21, 9 p.m. Okay, so having a look at UK pound first. First of all, the UK pound actually continued its bullish run from a Monday. On Monday, it was just trading at 1.2517. And it closed the Monday's trading session at about 1.2663, moving up 145 pips. And towards yesterday, this was the first move up at about 8 plus 5 is 13, which is at 1 p.m. local Singapore and Malaysia time. The UK pound moves up from 1.2656 all the way to a high of 1.2766. Okay. So for yesterday, the UK pound moved up about 110 pips, and Monday was up 145. So on Tuesday was up. Monday. Okay, Monday was up 145 pips, and Tuesday, which was yesterday, it went up another 110 pips. So over 2 days of market trading activities, the UK pound has moved up about 245 pips. Okay, again, very nice, very beautiful. You do not have to make every single pip or profit every single movement, as long as you manage to catch, in this case, if you manage to catch a 50 to 60 pip movement over a duration of 2 days and over overall movement of 245 pips, that would have been a beautiful trading session. Okay, so that was for the UK pound. Let us have a look at the euro dollar. The euro dollar was largely consolidating on a Monday, as we can see. So unlike the UK pound was bullish for the whole of Monday. For the euro dollar, it was mostly consolidating, okay, between a low and a high, and only towards yesterday. Check out the time again. Okay, towards yesterday, after consolidating for a while, check out the time again. 1600 plus 5 is 21. Again, it tallies with the drop in the weakening of the US dollar. And we do see the euro dollar strengthening. Okay, so at about again 1600 plus 5 is 21, which is 9 p.m. The euro dollar moved up from 1.1423 all the way to a high of 1.1539. Okay, so the euro dollar moved up 115 pips yesterday. Again, if you manage to cash anything from 40 to 50 pips out of the 110 pip movement, beautiful day of trading. Okay, so Canadian dollar was largely bearish. Okay, as we are all aware, the US dollar was weakening. Sorry, the Canadian dollar was largely bullish. Okay, not bearish. So this is quoted as USD CAD, as you can see here. So the US dollar is the first or the base pair, and the Canadian dollar is the counter or quote currency. So in this case, the US dollar value is 1. And if this is moving down, let's say from over here, it was at 1.3596, at 1.3596. $1 could get for you 1.3596 Canadian dollars. However, at a lower price, at these levels, $1 can now only get for you 1.34 Canadian dollars. Okay, so the US dollar can now get for you less Canadian dollars. In other words, the Canadian dollar has strengthened against the US dollar. Okay, so although you see it as moving down, this downward movement means that the Canadian dollar is strengthening against the US dollar. Okay, so yeah, pretty exciting times. Again, the major stimulus or the major catalyst was the European Union stimulus package discussions since Saturday, and was finally approved on Tuesday. So a quick look at commodities and gold prices now. Similar story, we were looking at gold prices to be consolidating on the 4-hour charts and also on the 1-hour charts. So again, markets and prices cannot be consolidating forever, and as early as last Friday over here, we do see the gold prices moving up about $17 from a low of 1,795 from the support levels, starts to move up. And as of yesterday, we saw the gold prices moving up at about 9 plus 5, 14, which is 2 p.m. and also over here 15 plus 5, 20, which is at 8 p.m. So gold prices yesterday moved up about $24, and early this morning at about 4 plus 5, 9 a.m. gold prices spiked up again to a high of 1,865, going up $22. So from last Friday and from the base of the consolidation phase, gold prices has moved up about from 1,795 to 1,865. Gold prices has moved up about 70 US dollars. Okay, so yeah, plenty of daily movement and opportunities for us to understand the markets and behavior, and of course to take a trade and to get a decent profit. Okay, so yeah, currently it's gone a bit quiet, so let us have a look at silver. Silver prices also mirrored the movements of the sentiment of gold prices. It was mostly bullish all the way. You can see its trajectory is moving up. Okay, trajectory is moving up. Very nice. And again, especially with the approval of the 750 billion euro stimulus package from the European Union, again, 1/3 of it will be going to green climate or climate change initiatives. And as we know, solar panels comprises a major component of solar panels will be silver. Okay, so that's one of the reasons why silver prices shot up. So this is the highest level since the year 2014 for silver prices. Okay, so silver yesterday was trading at about $19.91, and as of this morning, it touched a high of $22.83. Okay, so very exciting times for traders, especially if you trade the way I trade. Okay, so currencies, plenty of movement, gold, silver, and let us have a quick look at oil prices. Oil prices was also on a slightly consolidation phase. Okay, a bearish downward trend found support, and it moved up on a Monday evening. Okay, over here moving up about 96 cents, and yesterday as early as 7 a.m. Singapore time, oil prices moved up from $40.73 all the way to a high of $42.47. Okay, then after it pulled back down from $42.44 to a low of $41.43, coming down about $1. Okay, so again, lots of opportunities for trading on the crude oil prices. Last but not least, let's have a quick look at the S&P 500. S&P 500 is generally still on a bullish trend, again on optimism, partly on the European Union stimulus package, and also optimism on progress regarding the COVID-19 vaccines. Okay, so currently it's finding some resistance. We'll have a look and see where it goes from there. Okay, so guys and girls, hope you guys had a good trading day over the last two market days on a Monday and Tuesday. If you missed out on certain opportunities, by all means don't chase the markets. Opportunities will always come again. You just have to be ready when it's coming the next time. Okay, so hope you guys have a good trading day ahead, and by all means please do drop us a comment or a greeting if you do read our videos on Facebook or YouTube. So hope you guys have a great trading day ahead, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you, take care, bye bye.